Good morning, everyone. Today I will be presenting on modulation in analog communication and its types. My name is Shubhankar Chakraborty and my roll number is 34900322017. And I am from EC department, currently in my fourth semester. To begin with, let's understand what modulation is. Modulation is the process of varying a carrier signal to transmit information over a distance. It plays a crucial role in analog communication as it enables efficient transmission, reduces noise, and allows multiple signals to be sent simultaneously. In this presentation, we will explore different types of modulation, including amplitude modulation. In short form, we call it AM. Frequency modulation. In short form, we call it FM, and phase modulation. In short form, we call it PM. And now we are gonna talking about what is modulation. Modulation is a technique used in communication system to encode information onto a carrier wave. This allows signals to travel long distance without significant degradation. The three primary types of modulation are there. Amplitude modulation, where the amplitude of the carrier waves varies. Frequency modulation, where the frequency of the carrier waves changes. And phase modulation, where the phase of the carrier wave is altered or changes. And in the slide number 4, we're going to talk about need for modulation. Why is modulation necessary? Without modulation, direct transmission of low frequency signals would be inefficient. Some key reasons for modulation include efficient transmission. It helps in sending signals over long distances, reducing noise and interference. It enhances signal clarity. Multiplexing capability, multiple signals can be transmitted simultaneously. Long distance communication ensures reliable data transfer over vast areas. Sl- Now we are in slide number 5. Types of modulation. Types of modulation. Now let's look at the three main types of modulation: amplitude modulation, frequency modulation, phase modulation. As I told it sometimes ago, each type has its own advantage and disadvantages, which we will discuss next. Now in slide number 6, we're going to talking about amplitude modulation. Some definitions, applications, advantage and disadvantages. Okay. So amplitude modulation is the process where the amplitude of the carrier wave changes according to the information signal. Applications used in radio, broadcasting, and TV transmission. Advantage. What is the advantage of amplitude modulation? Now we can say simple and cost effective. And disadvantages: high susceptibility to noise and interference. Slide number 7. In slide number 7, we're gonna talk about frequency modulation. In short form, we call it FM. In frequency modulation, the frequency of the carrier wave varies with the message signal. And applications: FM radio and TV sound transmission. Advantage: provides better noise immunity and high quality sound. Disadvantages: requires more bandwidth compared to AMs. And now in slide number 8, we're going to talk about phase modulation. Phase modulation involves varying the phase of the carrier signal. Applications used in wireless communication and telemetry. Advantages: efficient and robust against noise. Disadvantages: complex receivers design. In slide number 9, we are going to talking about comparison of modulation types. When we compare these three types of modulation, AM is a simple but affected by noise. FM provides better quality but requires more bandwidth. PM is efficient but has a complex system design. Each type has its own importance depending on their application, as you can see in the table below. And in slide number 10, we are ending up with a conclusion. To summarize, modulation is essential for effective analog communication, AM, FM, and PM, making them valuable in various technology advances. Newer and more efficient modulation techniques are being developed to improve signal transmission. In slide number 11, we're going to talk about references. I use textbooks, online sources, and research papers. Thank you.